The remote control 2.4G high speed. Drift RC car 4WD AE86 Model GTR Vehicle, a perfect blend of performance, precision, and fun that brings endless excitement to children and hobbyists alike. This RC car is meticulously crafted to resemble the iconic AE86 GTR, ensuring an authentic and thrilling driving experience. The powerful 2.4 GHz remote control system provides a stable and interference-free connection, allowing multiple cars to race simultaneously without any disruption. Designed for high-speed drifting, this RC car features a robust four-wheel drive system that guarantees optimal traction and stability on various terrains. The advanced suspension system, along with the high-performance rubber tires, ensures smooth and responsive handling, making it easy to execute impressive drifts and sharp turns. The AE86 GTR model comes with a durable lightweight chassis that enhances speed and agility, while the aerodynamic body design minimizes air resistance for maximum performance. Equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this RC car offers extended playtime so kids can enjoy endless hours of racing fun. The powerful motor delivers impressive acceleration and top speeds, making every race an adrenaline-pumping adventure. The detailed interior and exterior design, complete with realistic decals and LED headlights, add to the car's overall aesthetic appeal, making it a standout piece in any collection. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, the remote-controlled 2.4G high-speed Drift RC car 4WD AE86 Model GTR Vehicle provides a thrilling and immersive experience for racing enthusiasts of all ages. Whether it's competing in high-speed races, perfecting drift techniques, or simply enjoying a leisurely drive, this RC car is designed to deliver exceptional performance and endless entertainment. Ideal as a gift for children or a treat for oneself, this RC toy car guarantees hours of exhilarating fun and excitement.